Hi, welcome everybody. Yes, so it's a brand new week, so you know it's a time for a new video.
Back again.
Yes, I've been in the UK for about 3 months now, and I haven't tried KFC. Now, honestly, no matter where I go outside of Jamaica, I'm just scared of trying KFC because I feel like Jamaican KFC is the best KFC, and everything is just going to really let me down. But for the sake of entertainment purposes, I'm going to be trying a Zinger from KFC in the UK. And we know that's one of the most popular things in Jamaica is the Zinger from KFC. So I'm gonna be trying it, be comparing it. Let's see. So I'm gonna pop out and head to KFC real quick. Carry out with me. So yeah, follow me.
Making my way downtown.
So of course, in just lively fashion, nothing could have just gone smoothly for me in life. The first delivery guy came while I was outside hanging clothes, and hence it just left. So I had to file a complaint with them. Anyway, so I use a new delivery service, Uber Eats. Dum da da dum. So we're digging in. Alright. Got my little sparkling water. I never got regular water because I'm at home, so it's like I could always have water in the fridge. And got my Zinger from the jump. Got the size versus Jamaica. In Jamaica, when you get a Zinger, you get like a proper size. This is, look at it. Yeah, so far, I'm not really impressed, KFC. I'm not, sorry. But yeah, so I did promise something. Wait. Somehow the fries is like this much better than KFC in Jamaica, but it's still kind of KFC quality. It's just like, you know, my Jamaicans know KFC fries kind of dodgy, but it's kind of the same type of thing. But they have skin on fries, so you can see potato skin, which I do prefer, but it still kind of tastes effectively like KFC, but like a little bit better. So you could say KFC UK fries is better than Jamaican KFC fries so far. That's all. But I mean, I did promise y'all I was gonna talk about. I don't know if I said it. Did I say it? Probably. But while I'm eating, mukbang style, we'll also just be talking about the reality of moving abroad, because I realize a lot of people romanticize the idea of moving abroad. Yeah, romanticize the moving abroad process. It's all Emily in Paris. It's give me somebody else who move abroad in our movie. I don't know, somebody else. Like, it's always small town to big city, and it's like, oh look, I'm so successful. But you're not talking about like all the other stuff along the way. I mean, I do show it, but you know, you're hearing it from a real person. Oh, definitely, it's an issue when it comes on to just, I guess, feeling lonely. It's easy for you to just kind of feel really lonely because you just kind of left your family, you left your friends. Your family and your friends, they're back in Jamaica, you know, and out here, it's, as an adult, it's hard to make friends all over again, to be honest, because even my friends I have in Jamaica, I have no idea how I got them. I just end up be friends with them. Even my best friends, from my day one best friends, that was like a high school thing, and I can't do high school over again. Any best friends I picked up along the way, that was just very random. I don't think I can like purposely do that over again, so it was just gonna take some time, and just like, so that's an annoying part. By the way, we have Ribena syrup up here, so I mix the fizzy water with like a little bit of Ribena syrup, and that's why I get the fizzy water, because it can control how much of the sweet you have, you know, as opposed to the sugary drinks that come pre-packed. Another thing too is just the stress of reconditioning your mind to like the new culture and so on, because where you come from, especially at my age, I'm 25, I just moved. Where you come from for all your life, you've been knowing these norms, been knowing these little things that you and your culture do, and then all of a sudden that's not what happens up here. it's kind of jarring. Alright, so moment of truth. Let me actually open this. Oh, whoa, it's a lot of mayonnaise, first of all. Okay, so right off the bat, also they add an extra thing with their zinger. They add a hash brown. So let's see how that tastes. So they have hash brown, cheese, the chicken, lettuce, mayo. So that's a good thing because like with my zinger, I love a lot of mayo. So they have a lot of mayo too. So I'm glad about that. If you haven't already, just subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment if you want to know anything else. If you want me to do anything else, yeah. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, now we Jamaicans will spice it up. Spice, seasoning. Okay, hold on.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Yo. Okay, now that was good. Is UK KFC better than Jamaica? Boy, I feel like it might be even rivaling. Alright. I would keep the Jamaican barbecue zinger up here. And this would probably come like right here. And then the regular. This is probably this is like a little bit better than the regular spicy zinger.
I feel away.
I like a little bit less than the barbecue zinger. Because the barbecue zinger tends to have a bit more flavor. But the thing is, they have a sauce inside that kind of is reminiscent of the barbecue-ish. Like, yo, I didn't expect it to actually be palatable. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty good. But yeah, and also I'm just on the topic of just again being lonely. Just there's certain things that, you know, culturally us Jamaicans do that's like it's funny. This and that. But it's like you can't do that anymore, so it's like you can't make certain jokes anymore because nobody now gonna understand. You can't even like really talk how you would talk in a more relaxed setting, because you know when you're more relaxed or so on you tend to speak patois more, but you know when you're more uptight or so on, that's when you tend to speak just standard English, or just in a more professional setting. But out here just you're speaking standard English more so that people can actually understand you. So that's like the next thing to it. It's kind of a lot to consider if you're gonna move abroad. Alright, Mina. And two, you have to think about just the increased cost of living. If it is that you're definitely, I mean, us Jamaicans know this though. I don't even have to list this, but you definitely have to know that you're moving up in like a job. Like the job definitely has to match the cost of living and even more that you had in Jamaica, you know. But you know, a lot of people probably don't know that, and they probably just think, oh, I have an opportunity to go abroad, and you go abroad. But if you don't do the calculation and so on, not really makes sense, and you're gonna just up here bata, or you just up here so and it just not really makes sense. Yeah, it's bussin'.
The flavor.
And the hints of the hash brown. I'm sorry. That is not bad. The only reason I won't put it up with like on the same level as the barbecue. Like, first of all, the barbecue definitely does taste better. It has more of a in it. But the reason I'm not putting it on the same level is because of the size too. That's one other reason why I'm not putting it on the same level. So it's like barbecue, this, and then the spices are gonna come like a little bit low. Now the next thing I've been struggling with, it's not like a general thing, it's just my personal experience with coming up here as a content creator. Your algorithm switches, it just switches. You're no longer in the Jamaica, it's not pushing it to Jamaica as much.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
I know you're in this like bigger pool of creators, so I'm just like, I'm not doing as well. Well, I wasn't doing as well when I just came. I think nowadays I'm posting more. I know the algorithm kind of sort out itself, so I've been getting some videos, and I've been getting some like over 10k views video on TikTok. By the way, go follow me on TikTok. So yeah, my content did do a little bit of this, but I kind of posted more, so it's kind of doing a little bit of this, you know. Yeah, but definitely I just had to make the conscious decision that over on TikTok I'm just gonna be more me and just like vibe, because like initially I wanted to keep it more like medical, like sure funny and entertaining, but medical or like health. But I just kind of made a decision to be like, yo, I'm just kind of vibe over here. So my TikTok is literally everything. It tends to niche down when it comes to my Instagram or my other YouTube channel, because I have another YouTube channel dedicated to health stuff. So the health stuff I do on TikTok, I'll put over on the YouTube, and the health stuff I do on TikTok as well, I'll put over on the Instagram. So it's, you know, more niche and those things, but my TikTok is just everything. And a lot of people on TikTok do that, you know, because going through various like marketing advice, a lot of them is like, yeah, niche down, this and that, but lots of people on TikTok is like, this is their main content, this is what they're kind of doing, but there's side stuff that they're doing, like their random videos actually doing better than the main content, so they just do it anyway. So, you know, every now and again you do your main content, and that's the thing, to do your main content constantly kind of stressful. So to post as much as you can, just post in between, and then just keep the majority of it, you know, I guess streamlined to health in general. But whatever, I don't know, like if you follow this content creation thing, I don't even know how to reach that topic anyway, but if you follow this content creation thing, you're just kind of always unhappy because you're always watching the stats, you're watching the analytics, you're watching this, you're watching that. And yes, of course, if you want to do good, which I want to do good, I want to do well, I want to grow, I want to probably end up monetize and so on. But if you want to do well, you're gonna have to watch those things. But it's like after a while, it just gets very tiring, and I have to watch it for my mental health. So I'm just like, you know what, I'll do what made me happy. Anyway, final consensus, I'm gonna have to give Miss UK KFC Zinger specifically. I don't know what them I do, otherwise I don't know. But Miss UK's KFC Zinger, I look at 8.5 out of 10 in reference to the barbecue Zinger back in Jamaica. I'll give them that. I can't lie. Not gonna lie, love. Not gonna lie, vibes. It's it. It's good. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Yeah, I'm gonna call it quits here now. Thank you all so much for eating with me. Hoping I did have some munch fun too. Mukbang's actually fun. If y'all want me to do another mukbang, let me know. If y'all want to do the next one, let me know, and I'll try to get that done. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week again. Come around again. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like. Leave a comment of anything you want to say, and come back next week. There's gonna be a brand new video later.